Assistant Manager in Integrity Vadodara branch. I started my journey in 2019 when I was looking for a corporate that can provide me exposure to US industry. Since I was also planning for pursuing US CPA, so I thought let's get a practical knowledge first before jumping into the course. When I gave the interview 3 years back, the process was quite different. Like I went to Ahmedabad to appear for the interview. So the first round was a written test wherein your critical thinking, accounting, Excel and written skills were being examined. The second test was a technical round, that was a manager technical round wherein the manager would take an interview where he would ask you some concepts of accounting and also some non-technical questions. The third round was the HR round wherein the HR would explain you all the policies and anything that you have question in the mind. Right now the things have become a little bit different since we have an online aptitude test before appearing for the interviews. I was very nervous, which is quite natural, but I was well prepared. I had a lot of questions in my mind, like what questions they will ask, will I be able to understand them, will I be able to answer them properly or not, what if I don't understand the accent, what if I get stuck. So there were a lot of questions in my mind. But my manager made sure that I was comfortable. He guided me so well from the start till the end, what things to keep in mind. Like everything was explained and guided me so well that I was a little bit relaxed. Also, I took help of some interview videos and also did practice a lot and did a mock with my manager. So that way I was a bit confident then. Also, I think I nailed my interview very well because everything went so smoothly, and after the interview I was so happy because the interaction was an amazing experience. To be honest, I don't feel there was a challenge during the interaction since communication was a stronger point for me. But if I think of any, I would say that since I was a fresher to this industry, initially I had a challenge where there was a lack of exposure to practical side. But the clients made sure, they were so supportive, they guided me so well that everything went very smooth after a few days. And I used to love those interactions and I used to wait for having a chat with them because it was such a great experience to be learning new things from them. When we talk about work-life balance, don't you think everybody in their mid-20s are dealing with some or the other work-life balance issue? As in when I talk about this with my friends, I feel everybody, irrespective of the field, are struggling a little bit with their work-life balance. If I talk about the timing, so I have been somebody who used to work and study late night, so it was not a very big deal for me. Yes, initially it took me some time to get habituated to it, but then I was okay with it. Since the time I have been associated with integrity, every day has been a new learning. I have explored, I have learned, I have seen myself grow. From where I started versus what I am, I see a huge change in myself. If I talk about the long-term goals with the company, then I would definitely love to overcome more challenges, learn as much as I can, and reach more heights, and be at a valuable position of the company, where I can share everything that I've learned all these years for the growth of the company. As I mentioned earlier, communication was never a challenge for me. I was able to communicate things, but initial days I had a fear opening up with the client. I had fear if I should ask this question or not. But I think with the time and understanding and bond, I was pretty well asking questions, and it was a two-way communication between both the parties. And also I feel that I have always kept a proper reporting, like I have been continuously communicating things to the client, which let us be on the same page, and that way I think there was no communication barrier. And I believe communication is the key in developing any relationship, so that's what I have always been using. I still remember the very first day of the office when I was introduced to the team. Everybody was new for me. The team was new, the culture was new, the work was new, and I was very nervous. I didn't know anything, what to do, how to do, but the team made sure, the manager made sure that I was working well and I was comfortable. Within few days, I started gaining confidence in what I was doing, and now when I see when my roles and responsibilities have changed as a manager, I try to incorporate everything that I have learned from my manager and my team. Also, the team that I have right now has given an immense support and understanding. We here grow as a team, learn as a team, work as a team, and it's like a small family to us now. If I talk about the difference I see between working in a CA firm versus working in a corporate culture, then I would say that the only difference is the professionalism and approach. Like the US people are highly professional and the approach is quite straightforward. Adding on, I observe that the working pattern and the process is quite well defined and they use an upgraded technology.